Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video I showed you how to set up NeKu.AI SAP Connector inside n8n. Today we are taking it a step further. This time I will show you how to use the connector together with AI agents. We are going to look at two different ways to use it. The first as a regular node and second as a tool that the agent can call whenever it needs SAP data. So let's start with the node version. I'm creating a new workflow. The first thing I have to add a chat trigger. I want to test it. This message. I see the chat input. Now I need the JSON output. Basic LLM chain I can add for this purpose. Quite specific output format. I have to add a prompt, system prompt. We are an AI assistant specialized in extracting material requests from user input and formatting them into clear structured text output. I need a model, a LLM model. I select open AI model. GPT-4.1 mini is okay for me for now. I need the output parser, structured output parser. I have a schema like this. Start date and date type string, material type string, required material type. Now I can test the basic LLM chain, I think. I see the output. Okay, I'm returning back to canvas. Test ID. I can pass the JSON to SAP now. I'm creating a SAP Connector NeKu.AI node. My report name is material type and my JSON is output, but this is an object. I need a string to the JSON string. Okay, NeKu.AI user. I can now test it. Yes, I connected to SAP and got the response. Now I need the AI agent. User message come from chat message input. Okay, I need a system message. I wrote it before. Just a minute. Okay, expression like this. I have a system prompt like this. Question comes from JSON chat input and JSON come from SAP like this. Now I can test everything. Clearing. Okay, basic LLM chain around. Okay, sorry, I need the chat model connected with there. Okay. AI agent runs and preparing the response. When I see the response, I'll move to second scenario. Yes, data came. AI agent responded like this. Now let's move on to second one using the connector as a tool. I'm copying the same workflow with duplicate option. Just a minute. I don't need this node. I want to add a memory because I want to ask many questions to AI agent. Then I want to make it public. embedded chat authentication none, and load previous session from memory. I add a memory, simple memory. Context window length is 5 is enough for now. And AI agent memory connected the same memory. Now I need that tool, SAP Connector tool, selected. Description is important in here. Now I want to write a description for material type. Report payload comes from the previous nodes, then I have to test it before. Okay. Now I can map it. Again, it's an object. I convert it to JSON string. Okay. Yes, this tool I think is ready. And I want to add another tool. Again, it's an SAP report and I need SAP connector. Said it before, description is important for AI agent. Get material stock by material number from SAP system. And I want to map the output again to JSON string, but I need another JSON output which name material number. I have to add it to output. I copied it, material type, material number, and material type is not required for that purpose. I saved ID, clear the session. Then it's material stock report name NeKu.AI user is again like this. Okay. Now I think I can check everything now. I write the same message again, list the materials based on the material type, AI agent run, and call the SAP connector and this tool, material type tool. Now I want to ask another question. Find duplicate materials contained by material description. Now let's see, the agent didn't call any tool because it has the information in memory. Okay, I can see the duplicate materials in here. Test material 17. These materials have the same material description. And I want to test another tool like this, list the stock for material number 11. I want to see AI agent will call this tool, material stock tool. Trans again and call this tool, give the response. Storage location TM00995 units in stock. In storage location TM015 units in the stock. And that's it. As you can see, the NeKu.AI SAP connector works smoothly as a node and also as a tool inside AI-driven workflows. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this demo, feel free to like and subscribe and check out more AI-powered SAP videos from NeKu.AI. Bye.